We're just meeting. Hello, Zoe. Hello, sweetie pie. How are you, lovey? Hello, darling. How are you? And there's Junior. And this is your little one?
This is Dusty.
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 And today is Mira's birthday. She's 2 years old.
Oh, really? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at her. Get it, Zoe, get it. Get in there. Go get it. Go get him. Get him, Zoe. Get him.
Oh, Maggie's probably, but I probably, yeah, you can throw it right across the river for her. But those guys will probably get it, won't they?
Yep,
I'll move her down a little. Oh, good.
He's got war sores, and today was just my second time with him.
You think that you might get involved in that, Mira? I don't think so, sweetie.
He's hesitant, eh? But I really want to. Oh, Mira.
I've certainly had a couple of days that were just
Gentle
insane
giant.
about collecting rocks. And
Oh.
Skeena was rocks and sticks.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just absolutely crazy
No
about
broken
it.
teeth?
No.
Wow, eh?
Have you had broken teeth with
No.
your guys?
No, but he doesn't go, he likes to chase the rocks, but he doesn't pick them up.